Hi, Garrett's from Port Monkeys here. We're going to take a look at a cabin on Holland America's Maasdam. We're on veranda deck 9 and we're at cabin 214. So 214 is a Vista Suite. Now I've never had a suite before, so I'm not sure what it should have. It does have this closet with hangers. Not a lot of hangers, but hangers, a shelf, and an area down there. Some life jackets. One of these. Never get tired of those. And then it has another closet with robes. Robes Pierre. See that? And more life jackets. Safe. Towels. I don't know how well you can see that. There's towels there and an umbrella for my use, our use. Look at that. Laundry bag is cloth. And more hangers and more hangers. So it has two closets. Two closets. And Janet.
I don't come with the cabin now.
So this is the bathroom. It has a whirlpool tub. That's a whirlpool tub. I'm going to show you something here. This is me in the whirlpool tub. So I'm not going to stretch out, obviously, and I'm not that tall. It does have separate shampoo and conditioner. It's always mixed on cruise ships, but they're separate, and body wash, and a handle that comes off, and the heat and the pressure, and a curtain. A curtain. Let me get out of here. Towels, one of those. Nice sink. The sink looks like it's been remodeled or redone. You get a little bit of lotion here, a shower cap. They never give those away, and a little bar of soap. Water is precious, please conserve it. And toilet paper, extra toilet paper, and tissues. Oh, there's tissues right there, Dar. So that's the bathroom. Remember, it has a clothesline. Unless, of course, you're on the Costa Victoria. Then you may not have that. It has a curtain between here and the bedroom. Check that out. So it's got a bed, nightstand, light switches. Not sure what light that's for, how you turn that on. I figured it out. A couple of drawers. Hooks for clothes or whatever, robes, a map of Lang Island, you might know it as Long Island, New Nederland, New York. Anyway, so bedroom area, and then it's got our living room. Nice little TV. Lately we're getting a lot of those, but look, they give you two kinds of, or a wine glass, champagne, drinking glasses, more drinking glasses, swizzle sticks, wine bottle opener, blankets, binoculars. It's got binoculars. This is bear spray. We brought that. We're going to Alaska, so I thought, hey, bear spray. Drinks, we bought those. More drawers. The drawers are a little sticky, but it's got 6 here, 3 more here. Couch would seat 4, I suppose. They want to know what I want, what kind of fruit I want each morning in this basket. It's got this nice chair instead of a stool at the vanity. And it's even got one of these. Anyway.
No USB ports.
Yeah, the ship is old, built in 1993. So there's no USB ports. It does have the great outdoors though. So it's got a good size balcony with these chairs which recline, but only that much. But they have little footstools, a little tiny table, another chair, and the great outdoors. Hey, we got a tugboat next to us. Yeah, it's got a roof over it. There's another deck up there, another balcony. Do not throw anything overboard. It is showing its age. I don't know if you can tell. It's a little old. Down here is a little refrigerator, which they have filled chock full of their stuff. So I don't know if we're going to get them to move that out so we can put our stuff in there or what exactly. It's all iced over in there. But it is a little refrigerator. And I see the problem with it. It can't possibly close with those bottles there. That's why it's not cold.
What a waste of electricity.
Anyway, so like I say, a little bit old. Fresh flowers though. Fresh flowers.
This converts into a single bed. So.
Wouldn't it be a queen size?
I guess it just goes.
Anyway, so that's a Vista Suite on the MS Maasdam. And I keep saying MS, I don't know if it's MS. Holland America's Maasdam. Let's call it that. Got one of these phones, little pen and pad paper. This has a place for a key, but we don't have the key. Bed feels pretty good though. So, thermostat. So I think I covered everything. This is Gareth from Port Monkey saying, see you on the seas. Bye, Janet.
Bye.